The greatest gift is the ability to forget the bad things and focus on the good. If you need more than 10 rounds to hunt, and some argue they hunt with that many rounds, you shouldn't be hunting. If you can't get the deer in 3 shots, you shouldn't be hunting. You are an embarrassment. Failure at some point in your life is inevitable, but giving up is unforgivable. My dad always said, "Champ, the measure of a man is not how often he is knocked down, but how quickly he gets up." Folks, I can tell you I've known 8 presidents, 3 of them intimately. Fighting corruption is not just good governance. It's self-defense. It's patriotism. Our future cannot depend on the government alone. The ultimate solutions lie in the attitudes and the actions of the American people. I have no doubt that Russia will and should remain a major source of energy supplies for Europe and the world. Barack Obama is probably the most exciting candidate that either the Democratic or Republican Party has produced, at least since I've been around. He's fresh, he's new, he's insightful. My father used to have an expression. He'd say, "Joey, a job is about a lot more than a paycheck. It's about your dignity. It's about respect. It's about your place in your community." A gaffe in Washington is someone telling the truth, and telling the truth has never hurt me. When my first semester grades came out, my mom and dad told me I wouldn't be playing football. When the stock market crashed, Franklin Roosevelt got on the television and didn't just talk about the princes of greed. He said, "Look, here's what happened." For too long in this society, we have celebrated unrestrained individualism over common community. I graduated from the University of Delaware with a double major in history and political science. Given a fair shot, given a fair chance, Americans have never, ever, ever, ever let their country down. Never. Never. Ordinary people like us, who do extraordinary things,